Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6-String Fingerpicking. In this lesson, we're learning how to play a fingerstyle arrangement of Johnny Cash's version of Hurt. Okay, so just before we get into the lesson, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate it and it really does help me out. So for this one, chords are very straightforward. It's a very, very simple song, really beautiful song. But your intro, okay, goes like that. So that's an A minor, C, and then really D sus2 and back to A minor. So hold down our A minor, we can play the 5th string, the 4th string, and then strum the top 3 strings like that. And then the C comes along and we're going to play strings 5, 4, strum, and then 5. So and then the D sus2, and here I'll play the 4th string, the 3rd string, light strum on the top 2 strings, roughly, and then back to the 3rd string. So from the C, okay, put all of that together. So the verse follows the exact same chord progression, but we just need to add in the melody. So that's the first time through the chord progression there. So we start the same way as the intro. A minor, bass, and then the 4th string, strum. I should say that the intro chord progression goes through twice and then you're into the verse. So when you're in the verse, you start with A minor, exactly the same, and then you're going to play the 1st string open and then C. So you want to get to the C chord but add your pinky on the 3rd fret of the top string, play that, and I'll probably get the 2nd string in there as well with the bass, then open 1st string, light strum, so like that, and then D sus4. So I'll play the 2nd string 3rd fret with the bass, probably a really light strum down, targeting the 3rd string, and then 1st fret on the 2nd string. So okay, and then it's back to your A minor, and we play strings 1 and 5 together, followed by 4, and then the light strum. So if you put that together, you've got I hurt myself today. Okay, and then see if I still feel. So we've done the A minor. Just before we go back to the C, you're going to play the 3rd string, and then to C, and on the C chord, play strings 2 and 5, light strum, and then 3rd fret on the 2nd string, then to D minor, so we play the bass note of the D, or D sus2, D minor, bass note, then we play the 2nd string, followed by a very light strum, and then open first. So that's like, once more. Back to A minor, and we do the bass, pick, strum. Okay, so far. Okay, continuing, open first string, and then back to our C, again with our pinky playing the 3rd fret on top. And that's the same as before, so we're playing the 1st, 2nd and 5th string together. Then open first, and then light strum. Okay. Then to the D, open 4th string, then the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then 1st fret on the same string, followed by open. Okay. And back to A minor, and we strum the A minor just like all the other times. Okay, so that bit goes like that. All right. So continuing, 3rd string now, still on the A minor, then to C. Okay, so on the C we play strings 2 and 5, strum, targeting the B string, then up on the 3rd fret of the same string, followed by bass on your D chord, and then 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then again, but with the bass, because you're on A minor then. So, and then bass, pick, strum on your A minor. So, okay, so if you can think of the words as you're strumming your way through this, it's going to help you out. I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. So knowing the lyrics is really, really, really going to help you out. Continuing on the A minor, we're going to play just going into the C, play the 1st string open, then back to our C, and again we add our pinky, 3rd fret, and just like before, play strings 1, 2 and 5, open first, light strum, so, and then on the D chord, play strings 2 and 4, and then 1st fret on the 2nd string, and then open first. So, A minor, just like every other time, and then so that there is just going into C, 3rd string on the A minor, and into our C and play strings 2 and 5, light strum, again targeting the B, then 3rd fret on the same string, then the D comes along, play the bass, and then 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then E, open E string, and back to our A minor. Okay, so all right. So continuing. That's what you've got left to learn. So, last bit, you're going to play the top string twice, and then into a C again, pinky on 3rd fret, top string. Play all those strings together, then open first, light strum on the chord, so bass on your D minor, and then 3, 1 on the 2nd string, followed by open first. Back to your A minor, like all the other times. So So it's the last time through this progression before going into the chorus. We hold down our A minor and we pick strings 3, 2, 3. That then goes to C and play strings 2 and 5 together, and then 2. Then to our D chord, and we play strings 2 and 4. And then we play the third string open twice. Okay, so that is. And then I land on a G now. So we're on a G chord, and I play the bass, and then strum, bass, up, down. So thumb, down, thumb, up, down. Because that, as I say, leads into the chorus. So let's have one more play through of the verse. It's very easy to get lost. As I say, if you learn the lyrics and you have them going through in your head as you work your way through, that's going to really help cement the melody line in place. But let's have one more play through, and hopefully this is all making sense and you can get it down. I hurt myself today. See if I still feel. The chorus. So then, as I say, it's into the chorus. And if you're watching this on YouTube and you want to learn how to play the rest of the song, then I'm teaching that over on my website. So just follow the links through down in the description. You get the rest of the lesson right away. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and head over to 6stringfingerpicking.com for loads more great fingerstyle guitar lessons.